Hey everybody, this is another Louisville Seedbank video tutorial. Today we're going to be showing you how to harvest pumpkin seeds. So as you can see, this pumpkin is a little bit rotten, but that doesn't mean the seeds aren't viable. So what we're going to do first is we're going to carve the top and remove the seeds. So each one of these seeds inside is a pumpkin seed. So the seeds are still pretty slimy. So the easiest thing to do is to just put them in a cup and take all the remaining seeds you want out of your initial pumpkin or gourd. An easy thing to do is also to just take your pumpkin to the sink with a colander, and that way you can get all the stringy bits off before you let these dry. Seeds are still pretty slimy, so what I'm doing, I put them in a small cup with water just to the brim, and I'm going to cover that with parchment paper and let that sit out for a couple days. And what that's going to do is allow this slimy coating to dissolve off.